Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Galileo Galilei has rightly said, mathematics is the language with which God has written the universe. From the galaxies to seashells, the golden ratio appears like a hidden signature of the universe. The ammonite shells is more than just a marine architecture, but it's a natural masterpiece. Proof that nature is not just beautiful, it's brilliantly mathematical. And today, in this regard, I am going to tell you about the Fibonacci sequence, which proves how mathematics is involved in the creation of the universe. But first, let me tell you what's the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is nature's secret code, which is used for shaping the spirals of galaxies, placing sunflower seeds, making pine cones, and even tree branches. This mathematical pattern creates efficiency and beauty, linking the elegance to the golden ratio. The Fibonacci sequence is a simple list of numbers that follows one rule. That is, each number is a sum of two numbers before it. It starts from 0 and 1 and keeps going on. For example, 0 plus 1 equals to 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. 5 plus 3 equals to 8. 8 plus 5 equals to 13. And it keeps going on. This number pattern was first given by Leonardo of Pisa, which was observing how rabbits grow in number. But the thing he didn't know that time was this pattern was also followed by the nature. From huge galaxy arms to small seashells. The magical और golden ratio जिसको हम 5 से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. अगर हम दो फिबोनाची नंबर्स को ले और बड़े नंबर को छोटे नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें एक नंबर मिलता है या फिर हम उस नंबर के नजदीक पहुंचते हैं. उस नंबर को हम 1.618 कहते हैं और उसको हम द मैजिकल रेशियो या फिर द गोल्डन रेशियो भी कहते हैं. अब हम एक एग्जांपल लेंगे फिबोनाची सीक्वेंस इन फ्लावर्स. अगर हमने कभी फ्लावर के पेटल्स गिने होंगे तो हमने देखा होगा कि ज्यादातर जो है 5 या 3 या फिर उनके मल्टीपल्स आते हैं जो कि फिबोनाची नंबर है 5 और 3. तो चलो हम पहले पम्पकिन के फ्लावर के पेटल्स गिनते हैं. तो हम इसके पेटल्स गिनेंगे 1 2